Hello, welcome to my classroom site. I created an online classroom through Google Classroom. This is the online platform that I will be using for my sociology course this coming fall. I have created the outline and some of the basics, but this is for 11th and 12th graders. We are one-to-one at my school, so I feel like it's appropriate to utilize the online material and resources that we have available so my students can collaborate with me and with their peers as we discuss some of these various topics that you see over here. Something new that I am trying out this coming semester is creating units based on students' societal concerns. So in a question that I've posed here, what do you think is the most controversial or important issue facing society today? The idea is for students to answer, and then I sift through those responses, and through student inquiry we focus on different theoretical perspectives in sociology, and then they will present in a way that they seem fitting for their group based on some of that information that they found. I've included some basic contact information, and then in the About portion I have also included some resources that I use regularly with my sociology course, and then also our homepage for Pontiac High School. So I've used online platforms before, like Moodle, for my courses. What I look forward to with using sociology and Google Classroom for this course with upperclassmen to encourage that collaboration between peers and really get to hear some of their concerns, thoughts, and perspectives. I look forward to incorporating some other technology tools that we've actually already talked about. I've used Pictograph here to create my syllabus, which, as you can see right here, and then classroom rules, also using Piktochart, which is an online creative tool creating infographics. I also created my own Symbaloo, so students will have access to some of the main sites that we will use, but I'm loving all of this new technology that I am learning about and feel that I will be able to use it to my advantage and students' advantage in this course. And then I've just been a little bit more interactive in finding out how I can use online gadgets for my students and for their benefit and enhancing that learning environment. So I think that's it for now, and I look forward to rolling out this classroom in the fall, and I will continue to add in some assignments and questions here, so when I get my students in the fall, they will be able to maneuver this and take advantage of these online platforms. Thank you.